Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and today we're making owl puppets. The supplies we need for this craft are a paper sack, a few different construction papers. We have black, brown, orange, and white, some glue. I use glue dots, a pair of scissors, a brown crayon, and 2 cupcake liners. So first I'm going to put on his stomach. So we're gonna cut a circle out of the white paper, and a pretty big circle, and then we're gonna take the crayon and we're gonna add some feathers. So we're gonna put some V's on it. So just put V's all over the white circle any way you want, as many feathers as you want. I'm gonna add quite a few because owls have quite a few feathers. And then we'll stick on his stomach, make him look kind of furry. And then we're gonna take a little piece of black paper and we're gonna kind of make it just enough to like the center of his face, and that just makes his eyes stand out and his beak stand out a little bit better. So it'll just be kind of just enough to cover this part of the paper sack. And we'll add that. And then his beak will just be the orange triangle. And then we'll cut 2 brown triangles for his ears. And you can make those bigger if you want. And then we're gonna do the wings, or the feathers, yeah, the wings. And you can make those any shape you want. You can kind of make them rounded off, or I made it look like he had a few feathers, but it really doesn't matter. Then we'll just stick those on top of the bag. And then we'll take the black construction paper, and you can cut circles, or you can cut circles with slits. I use slits, but you can make full eyes, and we're gonna put those in the cupcake liners to make his eyes look bigger. And then we'll glue the cupcake liners down. Because owls are known for their very expressive big eyes, so makes them look a little bigger. And this is our paper bag owl. Hope you enjoyed this craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and see you next time.